Hey everybody, welcome back to Vedic Sage. I'm Dr. Dhaliwal, and today we're going to be talking briefly about some of the basic and general physical differences between Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. And earlier we talked about how the elements, ether, air, fire, water, and earth, combine, and the predominance of certain qualities or certain elements create the doshas. For example, Vata being ether and air, Pitta being fire and water, and Kapha being water and earth. So Vata individuals are generally the slim, thin, and more often than not, the tall individual. Compared to the other two doshas, Vata individuals are more physically underdeveloped with a flat chest. Generally, because of the light and subtle qualities, they have less subcutaneous fat, so therefore you're able to see their veins. They have prominent veins. They're thin, they're slim, and generally tall. Pitta individuals, on the other hand, have a more medium and moderate build. They have a more dense musculature compared to the Vata individuals, and they generally have more of a sharp and symmetrical qualities about them. So Kapha individuals, because of the heavy, dense qualities of earth and water, often have a heavier and more stockier build compared to the Pitta and Vata individuals. They often have a larger frame with bigger bones. They're more prone to gaining weight because of the heavy, earthy qualities, so they can sometimes be even heavier and obese. So just upon a quick glance, you can see the three main differences between the three doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, which are just expressing the qualities that belong to the dosha, which are basically the organizing principles of the five basic elements. So hopefully this helps some of you to determine which dosha you belong to from a physical standpoint. Do keep in mind that these are just the three main doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, but there's also a combination of being Vata and Pitta, Pitta and Vata, Pitta, Kapha. So we have all of these qualities within us. We all have Vata, Pitta, and Kapha throughout the body from a physical standpoint, from a mental standpoint, emotional standpoint, physiological standpoint. So out of these five major elements of ether, air, fire, water, and earth, there's often one or two elements that are predominantly expressing themselves, creating a group of qualities or attributes which are thought to be the doshas. And all we're trying to do is to identify which of these qualities are predominantly expressing themselves to help identify which dosha one is. Okay guys, so hopefully this helps. Okay, until we meet next time, take care.